Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 4K drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel, or fun flying, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones you can buy right now. These drones offer great camera quality, long flight time, smart GPS features, and beginner-friendly controls. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or just getting started with drones, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Professional 4K drone with touchscreen tablet remote. And finally, at number 1, we have the Professional 4K drone with touchscreen tablet remote, a feature-packed drone designed for serious aerial shooting. This drone includes a 3-axis gimbal anti-shake camera, 360-degree obstacle detection, and an impressive 5-mile control range. It also offers 84 minutes of flight time, 50 times zoom capability, time-lapse recording, and rainproof protection. This drone is clearly built for professional-level photography and videography. The 3-axis gimbal provides incredibly smooth footage, while the advanced obstacle detection makes flying much safer. The touchscreen tablet controller also makes controlling the drone much easier compared to standard remotes. Pros: professional 3-axis stabilized camera, extremely long flight time, 5-mile transmission range, advanced obstacle avoidance. If you're looking for a high-performance drone with professional features, this is definitely one of the best options available. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE 4K GPS drone. Taking the number 2 spot is the Potensic Atom SE, a powerful and lightweight drone with impressive performance. This drone features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, 4-kilometer FPV transmission range, and a maximum speed of 16 meters per second. It also weighs under 249 grams, making it highly portable and travel-friendly. The Atom SE stands out because of its long total flight time of up to 62 minutes with 2 batteries. It also provides a very stable flight thanks to its brushless motors and GPS system. The video quality is sharp and smooth, making it ideal for YouTube content creators and travel vloggers. Pros: excellent 4K camera quality, long 62-minute total flight time, 4-kilometer transmission range, lightweight and foldable design. Number 3. Holystone HS720E 4K drone. Coming in at number 3 is the Holystone HS720E, one of the most popular mid-range drones on the market. The HS720E features a 4K camera capable of recording 30 frames per second, along with electronic image stabilization, or EIS, for smoother footage. It also offers 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries and 5 GHz FPV transmission for a more stable connection. Holystone is known for reliable beginner drones, and the HS720E continues that reputation. The 130-degree wide-angle lens captures stunning landscapes, and the brushless motors provide quieter and more stable flights. The drone also includes Follow Me mode, GPS auto return, and intelligent flight modes. Pros: smooth, stabilized 4K video, reliable GPS safety features, long 46-minute flight time, strong build quality. Number 4. Ameta S50 Lite 4K GPS drone. At number 4, we have the Ameta S50 Lite 4K GPS drone, a lightweight drone packed with useful smart features. This drone weighs under 249 grams, meaning in many regions it doesn't require registration. It offers an impressive 50 minutes of total flight time and a control range of up to 1,640 feet. It also includes GPS positioning, gesture control, intelligent flight modes, and auto return. The S50 Lite is a very balanced drone for beginners and hobbyists. The 4K camera provides sharp aerial shots, while the intelligent modes like Follow Me help create cinematic footage automatically. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Pros: under 249 grams lightweight design, long 50-minute flight time, easy to fly for beginners, smart tracking features. Number 5. SIMREX GPS drone with camera 4K. Starting our list at number 5 is the SIMREX GPS drone 4K, which is a great entry-level option for beginners. This drone comes with a 4K camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, allowing you to view live footage directly on your smartphone. It features a foldable design, making it easy to carry when traveling. It also includes GPS positioning, optical flow technology, and altitude hold, which help keep the drone stable during flight. The SIMREX drone is designed mainly for beginners and casual users. Its automatic return-to-home safety feature ensures that the drone comes back safely if the battery is low or the signal is lost. It also supports gesture control, waypoint flight, and follow-me mode, which makes it fun and easy to capture creative shots. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, foldable and portable design, GPS auto return safety feature, affordable price. So that was our list of the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026. If you're a beginner, the SIMREX or Ameta S50 Lite are great starting points. If you want better video quality and longer range, the Holystone HS720E or Potensic Atom SE are excellent choices. And if you're looking for professional-level aerial photography, the touchscreen remote 4K drone is a powerful option. All the links to these drones are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.